One quiet morning wey suppose be time for prayer turn to serious horror for one mosque for Kano. As worshippers wake up hear say dem don kill one man wey im voice don dey call people for prayer for 20 years. For Maraba Hotoro area of Kano metropolis, body dey pepper everybody as people gather for different places dey mourn the brutal killing of Al-Qasim Mohammed, the mosque Ladan. Ladan, as people dey call am for Kano, na the person wey dey call Muslims go prayer for mosques. The suspect, one foreigner wey dem just know as Abubakar, wey people say e come from Chad, allegedly attack Al-Qasim early Monday morning. Eyewitness talk say the attacker drag the old Ladan comot from mosque and slit him throat for cold blood. Dem suspect say na spiritual killing because the suspect bin do incantation before im cut the throat.
People try save my papa, but everything fail after dem slaughter am. People wey dey for mosque talk say before the suspect attack my papa, e do some kind incantation 3 times on top the knife before use am for my papa neck. All the attempts wey dey try to stop am, save my papa, e no work because the beating and the weapon wey dey use on am, e no affect am because of the charm. With confidence, e comot my papa throat. Later, people begin pursue am, they come catch am for end of street. Na he come run again enter person house, he come fall. Na when he fall for ground, na the charm break and then kill am. Later, police come carry both the suspect dead body and my papa dead body go Muhammad Abdullahi Wase Teaching Hospital for Kano.
The person wey die na my senior brother. To Allah we belong and to am we go return. Wetin we dey hear for outside don finally reach our house. We dey house when they call us say this thing happen to our senior brother. He go mosque to call morning prayer. After that, he sit down dey pray. Na so the heartless murderer come meet am, bring out knife, slaughter am and remove im throat. Wetin make us happy small be say dem also kill the suspect. As the youth take law into their hand, we believe say our brother go enter paradise because them kill am while he dey call prayer and he dey pray.
Ina sallah da asuba wajen karfe 5 da wani abu sai aka kira ni a waya. Yanzu mahaifina Allah ya mai rasu.
Yesterday around 5 a.m. as I dey do my morning prayer, they call me say my father don die, even though I know say he dey fine. Before that call, later dem call me again say person enter mosque, drag my father, press am, carry am go outside and slaughter am, remove im throat while he dey shout for help. He see person wey he know, Aminu, dey beg make him help am, but Aminu talk say he no fit because the murderer no dey feel any pain. Our father na good man, he no get problem with anybody. For over 20 years wey he don dey call prayer for this community. May God show mercy to my father. And as the suspect, thank God say dem kill am too.
One religious leader for the mosque explained how the attacker entered mosque and confronted the Ladan just before the killing.
The murderer came into the mosque. He asked them that they should start the prayer. They said it is not yet the time, so they should wait till when the time will come. So then, by there, then he dragged the Ladan outside the mosque. They started fighting. So by then, he has bring out the knife. He slaughtered his throat. He bring out the throat out and put it in the leather. So by then, people comes in. They have started shouting, thief, thief, thief. So then the nearby people come out. So they have chased the person out of the mosque. He ran out inside the residences there. So by then those people, then they have pushed him off. They have also even started, at least they are the last, they killed him also.
The violence no stop there. The suspect still attacked another resident, but the man managed escape after short struggle, even though he get injury for him face.
E bad say we wake up to bad news for our community. One man enter mosque, slaughter our Ladan and remove him throat. When he see say people dey come, he can't try attack them with the weapon as people begin shout thief, thief, thief. As he wan escape, now he enter my house when I dey sleep. He dey find road to take run. When he no see road escape, he attack me and he try cut my own throat. The wound for my face na from the suspect as we dey struggle. Later dem catch am, dem kill am, and dem carry me go hospital for proper treatment.
Residents tok say di suspect don dey live quietly for di area for about 3 years now. Dey sit down with villagers for dis open land, but nobody know wetin e dey do or where him money dey come from. Even di house wey di suspect buy for di area, dem tok say e no suppose pass like 5 million naira, but e buy am recently for shocking 50 million naira. After the incident, police scatter the suspect house, come recover dangerous weapons and arrest several people wey get gunshot wound.
Kuma a wani ƙarin bayani again a cikin gidan lokacin da 'yan sanda suka zo suna searching din gidan, they now recover as in plenty people inside, unknown people with gunshots a jikinsu. Haka wannan it shows a signs and symptoms that guy is into some kind of dubious things underground. Don't know.
CHRICED TV here say family members of the suspect bin dey plan to recover him corpse for burial, but police still catch them and detain them. For one statement, Kano State Police Command confirm say dem don recover the victim cut throat from the suspect pocket, say peace don return to the area and promise say investigation still dey go on. As Maraba Hotoro dey bury one man where im only weapon na call to prayer, the tragedy don renew call make ward heads dey properly check background of people wey wan buy house or rent for their areas. As for residents, one painful question still dey: how place of worship take turn scene of such wicked violence, and how dem go take stop am make e no happen again? Na only time go tell.